The Nikon Z90 is poised to be a significant addition to Nikon's mirrorless camera lineup, targeting enthusiasts and semi-professionals seeking high-performance features in an APS-C format. While official specifications are yet to be confirmed, various sources have provided insights into the anticipated capabilities of this camera. Anticipated features of the Nikon Z90. 1. High-resolution 33MP APS-C sensor. The Z90 is expected to feature a 33-megapixel DX format CMOS sensor, offering enhanced detail and flexibility for cropping without significant loss in image quality. This resolution would be particularly beneficial for wildlife and sports photographers who often need to crop images to focus on distant subjects. 2. Advanced autofocus system. Building upon the autofocus capabilities of previous models, the Z90 is rumored to incorporate improved subject tracking, potentially akin to the system found in the Nikon Z9. This would enable more accurate focus on moving subjects, making it suitable for action photography. 3. In-body image stabilization, IBIS. The inclusion of 5-axis in-body image stabilization is anticipated, providing up to 6 stops of compensation. This feature would assist photographers in capturing sharp images in low-light conditions and when using longer focal lengths without a tripod. 4. High-speed continuous shooting. The Z90 may offer continuous shooting speeds of up to 20 frames per second in RAW format, with a buffer capacity accommodating up to 1,000 frames. This capability would be advantageous for capturing fast-paced action sequences. 5. Enhanced video capabilities. Videographers can look forward to 4K video recording at 60 frames per second, potentially with 10-bit 4:2:2 color sampling via HDMI output. This would allow for high-quality video capture suitable for professional applications. Tech.hifihype.com. 6. Dual card slots. The camera is expected to feature dual memory card slots, one CF Express Type B and one SD UHS-2, providing flexibility and redundancy for storage needs. Tech.hifihype.com. 7. Ergonomic design and build quality. The Z90 is anticipated to have a robust, weather-sealed body with a 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen LCD, catering to photographers who shoot in various environmental conditions. Nikon Z90 versus Canon EOS R7. In the competitive APS-C mirrorless market, the Nikon Z90 is positioned to rival the Canon EOS R7. While the R7 boasts a 32.5 MP sensor and advanced autofocus, the Z90's rumored higher resolution, in-body stabilization, and enhanced video features could make it a compelling alternative for photographers seeking versatility. Expected release and pricing. While Nikon has not officially announced the Z90, industry speculation suggests a potential release in late 2024 or early 2025. Pricing is expected to be competitive, potentially ranging between $1,800 and $2,200, positioning the Z90 as an accessible option for enthusiasts and semi-professionals seeking high-end features without the full-frame price tag. Conclusion. The Nikon Z90 is shaping up to be a significant addition to Nikon's mirrorless lineup, offering a blend of high-resolution imaging, advanced autofocus, robust video capabilities, and ergonomic design. If these features come to fruition, the Z90 could serve as a versatile tool for photographers and videographers seeking performance and portability in an APS-C format.